Shopify does it again, folks. In this video, I want to share with you one of the newest Shopify features that they just launched that I think is pretty cool, especially in these times where we're having a lot of issues with ad tracking and privacy in iOS 14 and all that stuff that's pretty scary if you run ads. But let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. Now, the feature I'm talking about is called Shopify Audiences. So basically what this does is it will allow you to find your best customers and create audiences based on that. So it's kind of like lookalike audiences, except you don't have to worry about iOS 14 not adding those people to your custom audiences on Facebook. So obviously this is kind of advanced stuff that I'm talking about. So if you're a complete beginner and you have no idea about anything Facebook related, I'll link a video in the description or something of a basic video that will allow you to start running meta ads as soon as possible, because you need to be learning about this stuff ASAP, no matter if you're a business owner, artist, whatever. So let's read a little bit here. Supercharged top of funnel acquisitions. Finding new customers through digital marketing is hard and expensive. Shopify audiences help find high intent buyers and increases the likelihood of conversions, and you can manage it all in one place. I'm sure we'll get a much better explanation in this video here.
Finding new customers through digital marketing is hard and expensive. It's time you get a better return on ad spend. Introducing Shopify Audiences, connecting you to high-intent buyers.
This is lit.
So paid ads perform higher and conversion costs get lower. Powered by machine learning, leverage a shared audience network to generate an audience with one click and convert for more sales, right from your Shopify admin. Find your next best customer with Shopify Audiences today.
All right. Okay, now let's see exactly how this works.
Introducing Shopify Audiences, a new way to find and target high-intent buyers on advertising platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. Shopify Audiences is a prospecting tool that works to enhance your top-of-funnel advertising campaigns to find your next best customer at a lower cost. Shopify Audiences is available to Shopify Plus store owners who use Shopify payments, which unlocks access to buyers who shop regularly at stores.
So that's one thing I do want to mention. Unfortunately, this is only available for Shopify Plus members, but this is always what Shopify does when they introduce new features is they make it available for their enterprise plan, basically, which is like $2K a month. However, let's say you're doing $100K a month, you're likely to be on this plan because of all these potential features that they add. And then they do tend to release these features to the public, to their lower end plans. So this still will be relevant to you.
Using a powerful machine learning algorithm, Shopify Audiences leverages data from Shopify's merchants. The algorithm matches buyer intent with the unique attributes of your store's products to generate better return on your digital ad spend. Audiences are created using lists of authorized email addresses from recent buyers. Before using audiences, you should ensure that you make the appropriate disclosures in your privacy policy. No merchant can download a list of the hashed emails exported from Shopify to target a competitor's list of customers. Improvements to the algorithm will continue to roll out over time.
Whoa.
We recommend making Shopify Audiences a part of your continuous top-of-funnel customer prospecting strategy. If you're excited to find new customers using Shopify Audiences, create an audience and get started today.
This sounds really interesting. However, I do think you can kind of already do this through the Meta ad platform if you just create custom audiences and make lookalikes off of that. But it's still pretty cool that Shopify is actually taking action against these privacy things that Apple and iOS 14 are putting in place. And I'm really interested to see how they're going to continue to develop this stuff. You guys already know I like to keep you updated on everything. And believe it or not, you can get good results at scale with meta ads or even when testing new audiences. So don't just completely neglect meta ads now just because TikTok ads are the new buzzword. As you see here today, for example, I got a new audience that I'm testing that's at a 12 return on ad spend on this account where we're already bringing in like 4K a day, but I'm still testing out audiences and new little things that are super simple because you never know. You could just find a new audience that you can scale into. But that's not what this video is about. So with that said, I want to know what you guys think. Obviously, as always, let me know in the comments your opinion on this or anything you want to say to me, any questions you may have. I'll answer them in the comments. Shopify stock is down to like $300 right now. Honestly, I'm probably going to be buying some here pretty soon. I'm definitely a big believer in Shopify. And every time I make these new like announcement videos, I'm always pleasantly surprised with how in tune Shopify is with their buyers. With that said, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.